Hello and welcome to ECM English Cafe. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the overview of Toeic test with all 4 skills. This video purpose is to talk about overall structure of the test. The details will be discussed more in the following videos. So, firstly, what is Toeic test? The Toeic test is the test of English for international communication. It measures your proficiency in the type of English used in business. The test does not evaluate your knowledge of English language. Instead, it measures your ability to use English in business. The Toeic test is divided into 2 smaller tests: listening and reading test and speaking and writing test. The listening and reading test is a paper and pencil test, but the speaking and writing test is taken on a computer. Each test evaluates key skills that you will need in order to use English in business. You can choose to take either the test first and even to take only the test that you need. The Toeic listening and reading test takes about 2.5 hours to complete. 45 minutes for listening section, 75 minutes for reading section, and around 30 minutes for filling out forms. This is a multiple choice test. You will receive an answer sheet and a test booklet. You will mark each answer by filling in an oval on your answer sheet, not by marking the test booklet. Listening section. The first on the Toeic paper and pencil test is the listening section. This section consists of 4 parts and 100 questions in total. The listening test lasts 45 minutes. You cannot go back and listen again. Part 1 is photographs with 10 questions. Part 2 is questions response with 30 questions. Part 3 is conversations with 30 questions. There are 10 conversations with 3 questions each. Part 4 is talk with 30 questions. We have 10 talks with 3 questions each. Reading section. The reading section consists of 3 parts and 100 questions total. It lasts 75 minutes. Because the reading material is in the test booklet, you can go back and check or adjust your answers during the test. The reading section starts from part 5, which is incomplete sentences with 40 questions. Part 6 is text completion with 12 questions. Part 7 is reading comprehension, which includes single passages with 28 questions. There are 7 to 10 passages with 2 to 5 questions each. And the double passages with 20 questions. There are 4 pairs of passages with 5 questions each pair. The speaking and writing test takes about 2 hours to complete, 20 minutes for speaking section, 60 minutes for writing section, and about 30 minutes for filling out forms. For the speaking and writing test, you will be tested on a computer. You will complete each task by responding into a microphone or typing your response on screen. You cannot go back and record or retype most task responses. Speaking section. The speaking test is first on the Toeic speaking and writing test. The speaking test consists of 11 tasks total and lasts about 20 minutes. Questions 1 to 2, you will read a text aloud. In question 3, you will describe a picture. Question 4 to 6, you will respond to questions. Questions 7 to 9, you will also respond to questions using information provided. In question 10, you will propose a solution. And finally, in question 11, you will express an opinion. You will wear a headset with both earphone and microphone during the test. You should speak clearly and carefully be sure your speech is heard correctly. You will be given the opportunity before you start to check that your microphone is in the best position and the best levels to record your responses. You will be expected to speak for a specific amount of time on some tasks and will be given a specific amount of time to prepare for some tasks. Writing section. The writing test consists of 8 tasks total and lasts about 1 hour. Questions 1 to 5, you will write a sentence based on a picture. Questions 6 to 7, you will respond to a written request. Question 8, you will write an opinion essay. The test is given on a QWERTY keyboard, so you should practice typing and working with this type of keyboard to ensure that you will be able to perform well on the test day, right? In the writing test, you will be expected to complete specific tasks in a certain amount of time. When your time is over, a pop-up window will notify you that your time is finished and that you need to move to the next question. In both writing and speaking section, an on-screen timer may be used to help you know how much time you used and how much time you have left.